Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Pisces. Let's see what's going to happen for Pisces in the month of August. And this is going to be a bonus reading, and this is just for those who are committed or into a separation, or maybe no contact with their person. So if you're dealing with someone, then this reading is for you, and specifically it is for Pisces. So yeah, and it is a general love reading, so it might not resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. So just let's start. Let's see what's going to happen for Pisces in the month of August regards to their love life. What's going to happen for Pisces regards to their love in the month of August. Pisces. Okay, Pisces. Okay, 5 of Cups. Your person's feeling. These are your person's feeling. These here I'll pull out cards for your feelings, and in your mutual energy. Okay, in the middle, the Hermit, 3 of Swords, 3 of Cups, let's see what you will be feeling like in the month of August. What you will be feeling like in the month of August? What will be Pisces feeling like in the month of August? Ten of Cups, 6 of Wands, 9 of Swords, King of Wands, and the mutual energy is 7 of Cups, 8 of Cups. Okay, yeah. So Pisces, so your person in the month of August, what I'm seeing here is your person will either come out of a conflict, or maybe they were not talking to you, they were not communicating, not taking any action. So they will start missing you, and they will come out of this hermit mode. Okay, they will start talking, communicating, taking action, showing you their presence, or maybe doing something in order to get your attention. Okay, I'm also seeing your person has had some choices. Maybe they were dealing with another person, or maybe there was another situation that this person was dealing with. So they might come out of that conflict. A lot of feelings, a lot of love, a lot of feeling like having lost something. Your person is going to feel like they have lost something, or maybe you are not available or out of reach of this person. What I'm seeing here is Pisces, you might even be dealing with a new person who is wanting to take action, who is wanting to be in your life, and someone from your past might see. I'm seeing 2 situations over here. One where your person is coming back, the person you're expecting to come back. You are being away from this person into a separation with this person. Maybe this person is not taking any action, and in August also I'm not seeing them taking any action. Okay, they will want to. Okay, they will want to, because they will be feeling a lot more emotional, a lot more depressed and sad in the month of August, because they will be missing you a lot more, and they even might see you moving on with someone, because I'm seeing a new person here in the scene who takes action, who takes the leadership, who shows you their presence, who is not in and out of the situation. So you on the other side, maybe you're moving on with someone, or maybe you are dating someone else now in the month of August, and this person from your past is coming back, but they will see you, with someone else, and they will, back off, is what I'm seeing here. Okay. So maybe when they see you with other person, or when they come across the fact that you are moving on in your life, they will start moving on too. Okay. Yeah, definitely I'm seeing them moving on in their life. A lot of sadness, a lot of hopelessness, not being able to hold situation, not being having a hold on you, is what I'm sensing right now for Pisces. Your person is feeling as if you are just moving on and not going to come back. You're not responding them, maybe, or maybe this person just took too long. That is why you just started moving ahead in your life, because you want someone who would be there for you, like always, not giving you these uncertain vibes. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing you will be getting someone or meeting someone who will make you feel like home, who will show you what love is, what comfort is, what it is to be like into a committed relationship, and not falling in and out of the relationship. Okay, so you will be having two choices, Pisces. In the month of August, in remaining days of August, you definitely will be having two choices. You will be on this crossroad where you will have these choices. Okay, with the Seven of Cups. But because of this past person returning in your life, things will turn out to be a little stressful for you. When you were moving away, okay, and now this person is jumping back into the scene. So this will cause a lot of stress for you. Okay, Pisces. Yeah, definitely. A lot of stress, a lot of confusion, a lot of, in the midst of enjoying this new relationship, you will also be feeling a little bit, exhausted, because this person will either try to win you back from this person, and you will be emotionally torn out. Like, when you were waiting for this person, they were not coming back, or maybe they were in this hermit mode, or maybe they were in the third party situation, they were not choosing you, or choosing or keeping themselves open for the exploring other people in lives. And now when you are actually moving ahead in your life, like with this Ten of Cups and this King of Wands, someone who showed you like you can be loved, you can be, you can be their only one, and now this person is jumping back into the situation. So it is going to be quite hard for you, quite stressful. You have to deal with maybe two people at a time. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing here. Let's clarify some cards. What is this Five of Cups about? What is this Five of Cups about? But definitely this is going to cause a distress for both of people, maybe the other new one and the old one, and you too. So stressful things in the month of August. Five of Cups, Queen of Wands. So what I'm seeing here is this person might feel sad because either you were not taking any action, maybe you were not returning back to this person, or maybe you are now taking stand for yourself, and this is stressing out the other person, your old person, because now you are taking stand for yourself, you are moving ahead in your life with a new person. What is the Seven of Cups about? What is the mutual energy here? Prince of Cups. Definitely, I told you, because someone new is now taking place in your heart. This person will be feeling as if they were coming back with an offer, and now when they see you moving with the other person, with the new person who is quite stable, who is not uncertain like they will be, maybe they will return back, maybe someone will fight, or either this person will fight, or either they will have to go back to their lives, okay, in their hermit mode. What is the Six of Wands about? Yeah, I think you feel defeated. You feel as if you're not enough, and now this new person is showing you. They're giving you this bright little hope that you are capable of loving. You can be loved. There is love that they can give to you, and you can give to them. So yeah, that is what I'm seeing here. What is this Nine of Swords about? What stress is going to be caused? Okay, Three of Swords. So what I'm seeing here with this Three of Swords clarifying the Nine of Swords is a lot of feeling exhausted, feeling sad, feeling like things are going out of hands, not being able to control some things in your life. So what is this Eight of Cups about? So with the Six of Swords clarifying the Eight of Cups, I'm definitely seeing you won't be in this sadness mode or the sadness zone for too long, because this new person will just pull you out of this sadness, and you both will work on this relationship. I'm seeing you moving away, like moving away from the old one to the new one. What is this Three of Cups about? Prince of Swords. So on their side, Prince of Swords clarifying the Three of Cups, I'm seeing they have decided, like in the past, if they were not being able to decide whom to choose, maybe they were having someone else in their life, so they will come back with choosing you. They will just get done with the old person, or it is also possible that they will not allow the new person to be in your life. Like they will fight with the new person, they will argue, they will fight for you. Okay, what is this Three of Swords about? Yeah, they feel as if they are a part of you. They don't want to lose you. They don't want to move away from you. They are feeling this attachment where they can't let loose of you. They can't lose you at any cost. They want to have you in their life very badly. What is this King of Wands? Is this the new person? Yeah, please clarify. Is this the new person? Princess of Wands. Yeah, I think you manifested this new love in your life. I think you had enough of this old one who is uncertain, who is not taking any decision, and you are on your path to this new person. With this new person, you both are wanting to go further. I think you will be moving on with a new person in your life now in the month of August. Let's see what handwritten messages do we have. What advice do we have for Pisces? What advice do we have for Pisces? Blessings coming. So definitely with this new person, blessings are coming your way. New cycle, maybe you're done with the old cycle and new cycle is going to begin. See, for some of you, many people are seeing this, watching this video, and it is a general reading. So it is possible that this new person will be genuine, will be coming with a new love offer, and new cycle is going to begin for both of you, or you are going to start over with a new person overall. Okay. Intuition. Your intuition is quite strong as is. Okay, Pisces. So you need to trust your intuition. Air sign, maybe you were dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And the last is good news. So yeah, good news are coming, blessings coming your way. Yeah, so this was it for Pisces. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please please hit the like button. And if you want such bonus reads for your zodiac, then definitely consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.